Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. Thank you for being here. If you've never seen a video, I appreciate you watching this one. If you've watched plenty of videos, there are still more for you to see. I have a few hundred videos on various topics affecting various topics that address the needs, the concerns of our senior population, and many that concern people of all ages that in fact need an estate plan. Today's topic, I'm going to discuss an aspect of a trust, something that I have not really highlighted before. When I create a trust, whether it be an irrevocable trust or a revocable trust, I section off, I put in there a clause that has the lifetime of the grantor and then upon the death of the grantor. Now, what I mean by that is the grantor is the person making the trust, right? Settlor, grantor, that's the creator of the trust. That person is the person that came to my office, wanted to do a trust, has a piece of property that they'd like to be placed into the trust, or they have an asset, a brokerage account, a savings account, right? Some type of asset that they want to put into the trust. That's the grantor. Now, in a revocable trust, I can make the grantor also the trustee. In an irrevocable trust, I don't like to do that, right? I make another person the trustee. I won't even get into whether or not there's a discrepancy and if the law allows the grantor to be the trustee in an irrevocable trust. That's a bone of contention among some attorneys in this field. Be that as it may, I put into the trust, I place in the trust directions that would be directions for the period of time that is the lifetime of the grantor. That's a lifetime trust, and that will even provide for incapacity. And then I have a section that says, upon the death of the grantor, the following will happen. This property goes to that person, or this asset will be divided, or this sum of money shall be given, right? You get it, some examples. So if you'd like to speak about a lifetime trust and for the period upon the death of the grantor, reach out to me. FrankBrunoLaw.com.